Welcome back to the Alien English Show. I'm Stella, your English teacher from Earth.
And I'm Blip, the alien who's trying really hard to understand humans.
You're doing great, Blip.
Thanks. But Stella, I see humans working every day. They wake up early, drink coffee, run around. Why?
That's called work life, Blip. Today, we'll learn all about the daily routine at work, what people do during their workday.
Okay, I'm ready to learn. But do I need coffee too?
Maybe later. Let's start with the morning routine. Most humans wake up early, around 6 or 7 a.m.
That's so early. Why not 10 a.m.?
Because they have to get ready for work. They take a shower, brush their teeth, and get dressed.
Do they wear spacesuits?
Not exactly. Usually they wear work clothes, shirts, pants, uniforms, or suits, depending on their job.
Ah, like my shiny alien jumpsuit.
Kind of. But humans usually wear simple clothes.
So, after dressing up, they fly to work?
Not fly. They go to work by car, bus, train, or bike. Some even walk to work.
Wow, so much walking. Humans must be strong.
Yes. And before work, many people eat breakfast, usually coffee, toast, or cereal.
Coffee again. I think coffee is human fuel.
You're absolutely right, Blip. When they arrive, most people start work around 8 or 9 a.m.
And what do they do first?
They usually check their email, talk to coworkers, or plan their day.
Co-workers. Are they like space crew members?
Yes, coworkers are people who work with you.
Got it. Crewmates on Earth.
Exactly. Then they start their tasks, things they need to do at work.
What kind of tasks?
Well, it depends on the job. For example, a teacher teaches students. A doctor helps patients. A chef cooks food. A driver drives a bus or car.
And what about an alien?
Maybe an alien studies humans.
Yes, that's my job now.
In many offices, people sit at a desk and work on a computer.
Ah, yes. I see humans staring at glowing screens all day.
And that's right. They write emails, join meetings, and make reports.
Meetings? Are they like secret human councils?
Not really. A meeting is when people talk together to share ideas or solve problems.
Oh, like when my alien team decides where to land.
Exactly, same idea.
Do humans like meetings?
Not always. Some people think meetings are too long.
Ha ha ha! So even humans get bored sometimes.
After working for a few hours, people usually take a break.
Ah, a break. Like a small nap?
Not exactly. It's a short time to relax, stretch, or drink coffee again.
More coffee! Humans really love coffee.
Yes, they say coffee helps me work better.
I think humans are 50% coffee, 50% work.
Maybe you're right. Around 12 p.m., it's lunchtime.
Finally, humans eat at work?
Yes, they go to a cafeteria, eat with coworkers, or sometimes bring lunch from home.
What do they eat?
Sandwiches, salad, pasta, rice, many options.
On my planet, we eat color cubes.
Color cubes? What flavor?
All of them.
That sounds interesting. After lunch, people go back to work,
Do they work all day?
usually until 5 p.m. They finish tasks, attend meetings, or make phone calls.
So many meetings.
Yes, sometimes too many.
And what happens when the day ends?
At the end of the day, people go home and relax and spend time with family.
Do they work at night too?
Some do, like nurses, security guards, or drivers. They work night shifts.
Oh, my spaceship team also works in shifts.
So you understand, humans and aliens are not so different after all.
Yes, but I think humans need more naps.
Maybe, but they also enjoy weekends, 2 days off.
Weekends. I like that word. It sounds peaceful.
Yes, Saturday and Sunday. Time to rest, sleep, or have fun. Okay, Blip, let's practice some useful work words. Repeat after me. Work,
Work,
office,
office,
meeting,
meeting,
break.
break. My favorite word.
And now some sentences. I go to work every day.
I go to work every day.
I start work at 9 a.m.
I start work at 9 a.m.
I have lunch with my coworkers.
I have lunch with my coworkers.
I take a break at 3 p.m.
I take a break at 3 p.m.
I finish work at 5 p.m.
I finish work at 5 p.m.
I go home and relax.
I go home and relax.
Easy. I think I'm ready for a job on Earth.
Ha ha ha! Maybe as an English student.
That's already full-time. And that's all for today's episode. Blip learns about work life on Earth.
Now I understand why humans say, I'm tired.
Exactly. Work can be hard, but also fun and rewarding.
Thank you, Stella. Next time, can we learn about money?
That's a great idea, Blip. Maybe that will be our next lesson.
Yay! But for now, I need a coffee break.
Bye, everyone. See you next time on the Aileen English Show.